Good morning everyone. Welcome back to another class of graphic designing. In this class, I'm going to show you how to use these amazing tools in Coreldraw. So let's jump right in. As usual, we're starting by creating a new document. I'll keep my setting as it is for now and I click OK. So first tool we're going to start with is this guy right here, the contour. And this is how the contour works. Don't worry, I'm going to explain these two right here in the next coming video. This class I want to keep it very short to explain only these both tools. So we're starting with the rectangle tool. Let's say we have a shape like this. Make sure it's selected and come here, take the shape tool and do something like this. Drag it like this. You're gonna get this rounded shape like this, and make sure to click here, and this is the shape we are working on. All right, so make sure it's selected, and what we're gonna do now is to come right here to select contour and make sure you're standing right here and you just drag it like this. This is outside, this is inside. You just drag it inside like this. Right now it's giving us one contour, one line. Because we set it here 1, we can go further like 3, 4 to whatever you want, but I'll keep it for 4 now. And here you can see above here you have the to center. You can center it. This is how it's gonna look like. You can leave it inside contour, and this is the outside contour. This is the shape you're gonna get, but I'll keep it this way. Here you have the ability to increase it, like this, and to decrease it by going down like this. You can even go further than that, like let's say 100. This is the shape that you're gonna get. All right, so we're moving on. I'll leave it by default with a 4 line like this, and here it's if you want to clear the contour, you just click right here and boom, the contour is gone. And right here you have the presets. If you expand this, you have flow in Word. If you click it, this is how it's gonna look like. If you click this one, this is how it's gonna look like, just like the outside one. As soon as you see I click right here and you see this place has shifted to the outside one, outside contour. Let's say I select here, it has shifted in the middle, and this is what we're working on, but we make sure here it's 4, something like that. All right, so right now let's zoom in, increase it. So right now this is how it is looking. So let's say we want to break it apart. We simply right click over here and you see break contour apart. Just click here, or you can simply click Ctrl plus K on your keyboard to get the shortcut key. Right now it has been breaked apart. As you can see right here, I have something like this, right? So let's bring it back, select everything and click over here to ungroup it. Right now it has been ungrouped. Let's push it right here. Right now it has been ungrouped on pieces. This is how it's gonna look like. This is how it's gonna look like, something like that. Because I just ungrouped them, let's bring them back. Now you have the ability to change the color of it to any color you want. Let's say you want to fill this place to red, this guy here to green, this guy here to blue, this guy here to let's say purple, this guy right here to yellow, something like that. Let's change this guy to pink color. Now let's look for a nice color. Let's say white color. Great. This is how it's looking now. You can even do something like this. Make sure to select it like this and reduce it to something like this. Put it right here and make sure to select the green color and drag it, and duplicate it like this, and make sure to put it inside. I'm holding shift and left click to drag it inside, and when it's inside like this, then I just right click it and I change this color to blue, and I'll do the same thing, right click it, I'll change this to white, same thing, right click it, I'll give this orange, I'll go further a little bit and I'll right click it, I'll give this one, let's say yellow. This is what the contour does. You can select them all and click right here to remove the outline. All right, so let me show you another thing. Let's say we have a rectangle here. Let's give it red over here. And this one we give it green. All right, so let's say right here we give it 1820 to 980. We're gonna get a shape like this because we want to make this place kind of a contour looking. So you come here, we grab the contour and we make sure we stand right here. Let me zoom in so you see what I'm doing. You're here, then you just drag it like this, and you just drag it like this to here, and you're gonna get these lines. Remember, we set it to 4. You can go further like this. It's not showing because of the border that I gave it. It's now going inside, but if you bring this guy right here, you see that this place here, it's going down. As you can see, here is going inside and here is going outside, and you're gonna get something like this. Let's say we need this color here. You can even come right here. You have the possibility to change the color of it with any color you want. Let's say need this color right here, and here is the outline color. You can change it to, let's say, yellow. You can go further, you can go down like this. Here you can click right here to center it. Here's to inside it, and here's to outside it. To outside it, this is how it's gonna look like. This is looking terrible for now. I'll just keep it the way it was before. Let me zoom it, something like this. This is how the contour works. All right, so next is this guy right here, the blend tool. This is what the blend tool does. For example, I have let me grab the pen tool. I'll be explaining about the pen tool later in the next coming video. Just stay tuned. Let's say I have a flower like this. Something like that. And I'll make sure I stand right here, and then I drag it to the right side and I'll release it with a right click, and this is what I'm going to get. Let's increase it a little bit. Right now these two places right here and here is not joined. If you try to combine it, let's say you combine it like this, and when you fill the color inside, you're not gonna get anything. Let's say we click red right here. It's showing here you have red color, but it's not showing right here. Why? Because this place and this place are not joined. So this is what you're gonna do. Make sure you select it. You come to the shape tool, and you see these two arrows over here. When you select them like this, you're gonna see this thing, and it's called join two nodes. When you click it, it has been joined. Now you have the ability to control it like this, to arrange your shape. All right, so you select it down here too like this, and you click the same place, and immediately when you click over here, you see the color that you choose over here is gonna pop up immediately around here. Right, let's put it right here, and let's duplicate it to something like this, and change the color of this one to, let's say, this green color over here. All right, so this is what I'll do. I'll make sure I select the down one, and I choose the blend. I make sure I choose the blend tool like this. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'll just drag it like this to this place, and boom, voila, this is what I'm going to get. If you check the inside, the lines that are inside, you see that right here it's 20. These are the lines that are inside right here has display over here. So you can even bring it down to, let's say, something 4. This is 4. This is 3. You can go even further, like 50. This is the 50, how it look like, but I'll keep it 4 for now, something like that. And here you have the presets. You can expand this place and select straight 8 step. This is how it's gonna look. Here you have your preset and all that. I'll keep it the way it was before, to something like this, 4 point. And here you have the ability to change the color of it with multiple colors and all that. All right, I'll leave it this way. So now, for example, let's say we have a circle like this, and what we want to do over here, we want to take these flowers, put them around this circle so that it will look kind of a logo. So this is what I'll do. I'll make sure I select them like this, and this, you're gonna see these properties over here. These properties is for the blend tool. So I'll make sure I'll come right here, this place, the path properties. I'll span this, and then I click new path, and you're gonna see this small arrow. You just make sure to click the line of the circle, just click it like this, and voila, boom, they are in the line. Right now you cannot see it because of this place. You make sure to come right here where is written more blend option, you click this place and you click blend along full path, and this is what you're gonna get. You can even go to rotate all object. This is what we're gonna work on. Let's put it in the center right here, and then let's zoom it so you see what we are doing. Let's say as you can see right now, our flowers are not well lined in the circle. So this is what I'll do. I'll make sure I select it, and you see this rounded anchor points. You make sure you bring it down to this place right here, and immediately when you do that, is going to put it at the line. Let's work on the other one. Select the green one and do the same thing. Take the anchor point, put it right here, and voila. You can rotate it to something like this. After you rotate it, and immediately you're gonna get what you want. Everything will just go on the line. So you have the possibility to decrease it like this, something like this. Let's duplicate it. Let's put it right here first and duplicate it like this. Right, this is what we have so far. So let's say you want to fill this color. You can fill it with any color you want. Let's give it orange here, and this one we give it red. No, you can choose any color you just want. Just give one yellow. And remember, you still have the ability to control it by selecting everything. Change the color of it by clicking here and here to change the way it looks. You can even group it with Ctrl+G and do something like this to put them. Like to put them in the middle over here, something like this. Let's remove this stroke or the outline. Just right click over here, right click over here, right click over here. This is what we have for now. All right, there you have it. This is how these amazing tools work. I hope you enjoyed this class. Please, if you know yet, subscribe to the channel. Please do subscribe, share, and like the video. And also don't forget to click the notification bell. Next time when I do upload a new video, you're not gonna miss that video. Take care and have a good day.